Good morning, everyone. VLON, the biggest gainer last Friday, going up strong pre-market, almost 89% for VLON, top gainer. Last Friday we did 72%, and everybody knows after hours we have a huge sell-off, but still have another saying because the short seller covering right now around the 79.94. Oh man, we might see the $1 for this one. Welcome everybody. Let's check the stock that we have to watch for today. First off, let's see who's the top gainer. Yeah, VLON is top one, number one. We see that the volume is 12 million. The other one have 12 million as well, is CLNN as well. We have it on our list. Today, HCMC pumping again 33%. Let me just check. Still we below this channel, and it's really pretty cheap, so it's not advisable to trade this one right now until we clear the 0.304. Anyway, the other one on the list is a 46-cent stock called MTEM. Okay, the volume is pretty light, just 500. The other one is doable, EBET, but I don't like the chart on this one. See the big pump, we have 26%, and the short seller squeezed or short the stock around the $2.65. So this is happened, I think, in the last day, in the last month, in January. Now we are trying to test once again the breakout zone around this area. Let me just show you. Yeah, the $1. Yeah, the $1 should be a potential trade for this one, but not for today. Let me just check if we could go there. We might go there. If we went there, this stock will be 200% stock, okay? Because right now it's 29%. See with me here, it's just 23%. So there's a potential for this one to pump as long as we break the $1. But now it's kind of dicey because we are in the midway between the support and the resistance. It's like you jumping from the airplane and you don't have parachute, so it's not advisable. If you trade in the midway, it's like, this is a good analogy. It's like if you took this trade, it's like taking jumping from airplane without parachute. It's like you are between earth and the sky, so it's not advisable. Okay, so the $1, I already put my alert for this one. I forget about it for the moment. The other one we might trade. No, lights volume, but we might have a trade. Just check the chart. The chart look interesting. The chart looking really interesting for this one. Even though we got bad earnings, the last two earnings, but now we have a pivot area around the $4.70. We might have a volatility. We might see almost 20 or 30% jump once again. How everybody doing? How everybody doing? If you can hear me all right, just say yes so we could start our live streaming. Welcome everybody, welcome. LG in the house, Naeem in the house. George, welcome George. Omar, he said, when Jesus start trading? As we said, at 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time each day is already written on our thumbnail, so it's clear. It's really clear, brother. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Everybody say yes. Everybody can hear me. So we have to be ready And the first thing that we have to be sure of is the sound, because if you can't hear me, we can you can't know what I'm doing. This is the most important thing. And remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed, okay? Almost 30 seconds or 1 minute. So be careful. Live streaming on YouTube is always delayed. I can't do anything about it. It's from YouTube side. However, we can actually complain because back in the day we have pigeons, you know? We have to wait almost like months in order to travel or send a message between, let's say, two countries, like say Italy and France. You have to wait days in order to send your message. But right now we have to just wait 30 seconds or 1 minute. And complaining. Right now there's some people complaining about this delay. Anyway, this is perspective. It's good to go back in time and be grateful. Welcome everybody. Okay, so OCUL, we said there's a potential trade for this one. So we have to put alert just in case if we broke this level, we're missing $1, I think. Now it's $3.80, breakout is around the $4.70, yeah, around the $10 or $1, yeah, $1 missing. Anyway, the other one we got, low volume, MYMD. So OMS is pumping in pre-market 2 million for this one. So it's good. Let me just bring the chart. Everybody knows that the stock was pumping before, but we hit with the reverse split 1 to 100. So everybody knows reverse split if you actually holding the stock, so you don't actually gain 100x from the value that you've been holding before, but you just you get more shares. Okay, if you're holding before, let's say 100 shares and 100 multiplied by 100, you get the multiplication of this number. Okay, so it's not so it's even like make it really example really simple. So if you just have one share, after a reverse split you get 100 share, but the value of the share that you're holding is the same like before the reverse split. So sometimes a lot of new traders see the stock jump almost 100% or more, and over 1000% for this case, and they will be happy because they think that they have profit of 1000, but no, you don't have the profit of 1000, but you just get more shares. That's it. So the price went down, and right now the price actually gap up because we have 1 to 100 reverse split. So we have to adjust our levels support and resistance for COMS. Interesting. So we have a bottom around the $4.23 and the breakout zone, yeah, we tested right now around the $6, now $5.69. Interesting. We have kind of first profit taken around the $6.84. Then we got yeah, after that is kind of tricky for the other profit taking, $8, but yeah, the $6.84 will hit first. You know what I'm gonna do? We prepare for a potential trade for this one. Let me just bring my alerts so we never miss this trade. Okay, perfect. COMS. Yeah, last Friday we went almost 22% down. The volume was pretty light last Friday, 700k, but now pre-market is 2 million, over 2 million. So we might see volume picking up when the market open around the 10 million. So there's a potential squeeze. welcome everybody. We already did our preparation for the hunt for VLON, SRZN, XPON, and CLNN. So we already did chart analysis and price target and entry for all of them on our watch list. And of course, we did the pre-market update, which we do daily, of course, to answer the requested stocks on the list. So Tesla was one of them, of course. Let me just check SRZN, what's it's doing right now. Pre-market still around the 2% up, so there's a potential for this one. Tesla is down, I think, yeah, 1.43. Tesla is down, and last Friday we were down 5%. But if you think, or if you see the big picture, Tesla was up 110% in the span of just beginning of this year. So this is normal to have a bit of pullback, and a lot of people say short Tesla. Tesla's still in reversal mode. So if you want to short it in a day, short it in just few days, then the price, we might have a huge reversal once again. So we are not in a short position right now. The pull is still strong for Tesla. Let me just show you what I mean exactly. For Tesla, we're still holding the current support. As we said, we have a huge pump and reversal from the 100, and we got a V-shaped recovery like what happened back then in COVID 2 years ago for the SPY, and we have V-shaped recovery, you see here. So this is good. This is a huge whale bought here after the good earnings, before even the good earnings. So they have inside news, for my opinion. So they bought before the good earnings and price continued to go higher. So there's a huge whale bought here above the 100. Now we have another support, and there's a potential continuation for Tesla. Nvidia, the same scenario, looking good. Yeah, semiconductors looking good, not just Nvidia, but even AMD. You see, both of them are up in the pre-market because the semiconductors have shortage, you know. There's more demand than supply. So we have a turning point, or turning in the fundamental. That's why the semiconductors looking pretty nice. The electric cars company got last year and the year before for cannabis stocks, you know, after the catalyst from the government for cannabis stocks. And of course, everybody knows the airspace stocks, you know, and the space race that happened 2 years ago. We have a huge pump for them. So there's some kind of sectors we have to watch out for because depending on the fundamental, like energy stock last year outperformed the market. So we have to be flexible and see which one will be strong next for to allocate our position and our portfolio in order to have a better profit in a swing trade, or when we hold those kind of growth stock. You have to change your strategy and the way, because the market is changing. The market is alive. Welcome everybody. Yeah, we got AMC earnings. AMC earnings last Friday. George said AMC had an earnings, but let me just check. The earnings for AMC is around the 2nd of March. So I think you mixed up the date, brother. So earnings of AMC is not last Friday, but on March, on Thursday, will be Thursday on the 2nd of March. So yeah, last earning was pretty nice, 14%. That's why the price actually reversed after we got the good earnings. See here, the price reversed, then got shorted and went down. Now AMC have a critical area to test around this box. That's why last Friday we have a test and a huge wick, you see. So there's someone still buying around this dip. which is a turning point, a reversal area. If we don't want to have a new low for this year, yeah, this one would be a major turning point. Let me just change that. We have to update the levels. What's going on with Xella? Xella is still going down. CEI is still down. We got earnings just in one day, tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the earnings for CEI. We have to watch out for that. Tesla, yeah, we already got our earnings. So IMPP, no earnings. PHUN would be after 37 days. We already discussed PHUN breakout zone and potential trade because it's been requested from us today. Okay, GNS, let's hit our scan. GNS. Whoa, GNS have a breakout. GNS breakout. GNS breakout alert. We have a pump before the market open. GNS have a pump. GNS will put it on our list right now. GNS potential trade. GNS looking pretty nice. Okay, CLNN holding. XPON still holding. VLON is pumping, man. Is pumping really good. Let's check. We got Palantir, maybe the earnings today. Let me just check. Yeah, this one today. The earning is, I think, a pre-market. Already did the earning pre-market, Palantir. However, the price is still not reacting because we are below this level. We got rejected around the 9. Yeah, we got rejected around the 9. Let me just check. Okay. Yeah, the 912. Palantir, the 6, even not the 6, we got, I think the $6.90 is kind of a support. Palantir looking interesting for a reversal right now. We have to have a reversal. Is a really critical area. GNS still. Okay. Thank you, Joe. Thank you. Appreciate it. Assad asked about HPCO. Yeah, it's getting shorted, man. We don't have the same reaction for VLON. Of course, John. But why you change your name from Naim to John? Okay, yeah, Naim John. So yeah, the first name. Of course. Of course, John. No problem. So we got someone just holding 200k right now from VLON. Meta, good trade actually. Really good trade for Meta. Looking good for Meta, looking really good after we have a reversal from the bottom. Looking really good. We already did this trade on our Discord actually. We said the 70 is the rejection. It was a really good trade for us for VLON. After our live streaming, we did this chart analysis around this bottom. So we held the 40 cents even by after hours, and when the price got shorted, you see here, we held above the 40. Then the price again broke out again around the 53 and continued toward the 73. So we already took our profit around the 59 and 73. So now the price is squeezing once again over the 79. So it's looking really pretty nice. We'll see what's gonna happen. We already did the chart analysis for it, for the profit taken for it. We'll see what's gonna happen for the second and the squeeze area after that, because we have a rejection area will coming up. SRZN. Let me just check again for this stock. The second one on our list is still around the $1.14. This one is light on volume. Let us check SRZN for the volume. What's going on? Yeah. Pre-market is just 60k. That's why it's not moving. Just 60k. This one always have a light volume before the market open, then the volume will beacon up. So we have to be ready when the market react and the volume beacon up. So where we gonna have this reaction? Let me just put it around the $1.20. Yeah, this would be kind of signal that the price will squeeze once again. And let me just put it there. Okay, guys, we have only 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Oh, I forgot to put the charger. The charger. Perfect. So we have to be ready, guys. We have to be ready. The market is about to open. Let's hunt. Before we start our video, we got almost 100 people. Let's even this out, guys. 41 likes and 104 viewers. Let's make it at least 60 or 70 before the market open. Let's go, guys. Let's hunt for the likes. And remember, day trading is risky, and you have to do your own due diligence before you put the money on the table. And don't follow me blindly. This is really important to know before we start our live streaming. And of course, we do our live streaming each day around the 3 p.m. CET, before the market open, of course, each day. Okay, so if you came late a bit for today, just try next time, tune in around the 3 p.m. CET. or 9 a.m. Eastern time. And of course, we have to welcome our new hunter here, Etrianoj. Yeah, welcome, brother. Welcome. New star, blue star for you guys. So I know like he's new because have blue. LG is always orange, almost red is mean he with us almost 6 months. Thank you for the support, brother. And George, of course, is turning blue. So blue is almost 3 months. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the support. So let's get right to it. The market is about to open. 1 minute left. The stock that we're watching right now is VLON. VLON is about to pump toward the $1. Then SRZN have a potential squeeze as well. XPON potential squeeze around the $3.93. And CLNN is about to squeeze as well. Okay, so we'll see if we hold above this box for a potential pump toward this profit taking, the 2.60. Let's see XPON, which one will have a good trade when the market open. SRZN is pumping. VLON have a potential rejection right now. Potential rejection here. Let me see if we could hold above the 78. And potential test for the $1 right now. Potential test for the $1. Right now we might see a squeeze. Yeah. Squeeze toward the $1. Yeah. $1 is critical right now in this box is the rejection box. Okay, we have CLNN doing right. We might see a reversal. COMS no, GNS is still no. We got a bit of alert for this one. OCUL is kind of light on volume and it's a bit expensive. I don't like it, so we watch VLON. Got rejected, of course. $1 is the rejection area, that's why we didn't overcome it. Yeah, we got rejected on 98, so it's not advisable. You see, here was the profit taken actually. After we broke this level, we talked about in pre-market, the price got rejected, and now we have to test the 79. So here a rejection area, as we said, this box is rejection area. So we hit this box from below around the 98, the price getting down. SRZN have a struggle for the $1.19. We have to break it to have a squeeze. XPON got rejected. CLNN still struggling. So let me just put this. Yeah, this would be a kind of turning point here for a squeeze. So yes, we might see a filling for this gap for this stock CLNN. This is the last support, $1.65. Breakout around this level. So we have to watch out. We already put 2 alerts from below and above. So this area should be protected. Let's see what's gonna happen for this one. XPON doing good. SRZN no. VLON bought back. Great. So we might see a huge pump right now. This is it. Let me just put this here. Stop loss around the 86. So we have a really tight stop loss here, 86. If we broke and we held this conjunction area, we're gonna have a huge bump. Let's see. 100% for VLON. Another try for the 98. Another try for the 98. Still testing. This is the support, guys. Right now is the support around the 79. But it's better to hold above the 86 to confirm this breakout. So right now is potential breakout around the 99. $1 should be a kind of squeeze. We're testing below the $1. Okay. Perfect. We have a breakout. $1. A huge test right now around this box. So this area until the $1.14 is a testing area. Profit taken. BBY hit our scan, going down. BBY is going down, $2.23. Okay, we have a huge breakout, of course, going toward the $1.43 now. $1.43, the next profit taken. VLON, the top gainer for today. VLON, perfect. VLON got halted around the $1.11. VLON got halted. So the next profit taken should be around $1.43. $1.43, the second profit taken. Already triggered the first profit taken around the $1, squeezed. Support around this level, the 79. NGL doing all right. We have a pump. Energy stock, 6%, really doing all right. So this one should be a top gainer for today as well. I'm watching this one closely. So we might see a huge pump for this one, looking really interesting. NGL, 6%, we might see a huge pump for this one. A huge pump. Let me just calculate how much we can do. Another 20%. VLON got halted. VLON got halted. We might have an unhalting until the $1.40. We might have another 20% easily. Right now we need to hold above the $1 to confirm that. Continuation toward the $1.43. SRZN back in green. We need to have a huge bump. We need volume. Right now the volume is really light, 65K, so it's not that good. XPON is struggling. XPON is struggling to break. So yeah, here we have to have a hold up. $2.87 is a sell-off. If we continue to hold this area, is mean a breakout for XPON. This one is the top gainer to go really high, and we might see another 50%, 20% for it if we broke the 4. But now it's still not clear to enter. CLNN is not good to enter right now because we might see a test for this box around the $1.65. So let me just lower this. We already tested. Let's see if we broke this. Is kind of dicey. COMS got rejected around the 6. I'll take it off. GNS looking interesting. We got a test and the price went down around $6. NGL is pumping. NGL alert. NGL is pumping. This is looking really interesting. SRZN is pumping as well. 2%. SRZN. Let's see. Okay, so let me just, I think VLN halted the 10-minute halt. 10-minute halt. So let me just put this around the 3 alert. Put another alert. Yeah, this one looking really good. No, here is energy stock, this one. Okay, we got SRZN is pumping. SRZN, we need to break this level. $1.19. We might see a huge pump for today, at least 20% for SRZN. Looking really good. So we watching VLON already squeezed. SRZN is pumping right now 3.50 around the $1.18, $1.19 right now, $1.19 for SRZN. There's a potential squeeze. SRZN on the move. Let's see if we can have a huge pump right now. Now or never. We need another 13% at least. Right now we need at least $1.30. Yeah, $1.30 would be really good. We might see even 1 million worth of volume after that. $1.21. Yeah, we're gonna have the squeeze right now. SRZN. Let's see the squeeze toward the $1.47. Yes, $1.23. Let's go. We're gonna have at least 18% right now around the $1.47. Yeah, the squeeze is imminent for this stock. $1.23. Okay, this one is pumping. VLON unhalted, going toward the $1.43. $1.43. The second profit taken. It's going back down. We need to hold above the $1 if we don't want to have a sell-off. This is really important right now. We need to have a continuation down. Even if we got shorted, we need to have this reaction. It's normal. A lot of people taking profit right now. And one of them is Meta Sweep. One of our hunter already bought this stock, and he already have 137K or 137%. So he's thinking about taking profit. HPCO hit our scan. I think it's going down. Yeah, it's going down. HPCO is game over. SRZN is pumping officially $1.29. SRZN is pumping $1.29 right now. We said $1.47 should be the profit taken. VLN bought back. We have a huge wick, so the $1.43 should be the next target. XPON, no. CLNN, no. GNS, no. NGL still. So yeah, we got SRZN and VLN potential squeeze. Let me just check this one. Yeah, looking good, looking good. We need to hold above the 95 at least. Let's go. SRZN pumping on light volume. This one pumping on light volume. We need another pump, at least 30% for today. We might see a 30% move. 25%, yeah, doable. 25%. So SRZN finally pumping. Last Friday we have this test last week, and price gave up so many times. 1, 2, and third time was the good pump. We'll see. VLON is still struggling to continue toward the L profit taking. Let's see if we hold above the $1. This week it was around the $1.03. We held perfectly. So we'll see if we still continue to hold. We already discussed this stock last Friday when we hunted for this support. As we said, the 40 cent is held even after the sell-off that happened on Friday. If you remember, we already took our profit 59 and 73, and we said the bottom should be 40, and the price actually held when we did this alert on our Discord, and the price held perfectly even after the sell-off that happened in after hours. You see, perfect hunt above the 40 cent once again. That's why we suggest always take your profit. The price go up and take profit, then you be ready to load up when the price go down. If you didn't sell, you will be like, where are you gonna, if you put all your money up, how you could actually re-enter around this the discount price. So it's wise to take profit. Okay, so now we have a struggle. We have a retest for the $1, of course. We need to hold. We need to hold. No price go below the 95. Of course, if we have a 95, we might see a sell-off. As long as we hold above the $1, would be really great. SRZN have a struggle. Okay. SRZN $1.29 now, going toward the $1.30. We need $1.47 for SRZN. SRZN is not real good pump right now still. We have a potential for $1.47 for SRZN. XPON is still struggling. CLNN, I think we're gonna have a sell-off. Is not good. Yeah, we got sell-off. So we might see the last support for this one. Otherwise, it's game over above this AMA. So I will watch. So if we have hold up or not. Yeah, this gap. So we'll see if we held above the $1.56. Otherwise, it's game over. Because if we held above the 56 or the 55, $1.55, we might see a reversal in power hour. Okay, but now is dicey. Now is dicey. I would forget about it right now. I'll take it from the list. Okay, SRZN is pumping. $1.32. SRZN is pumping, guys. SRZN, as we said in our pre-market watch list, SRZN was on our watch list, Jesus watch list for today. So we said that $1.19 is the breakout zone for today.
Welcome back.
So the price actually broke from our breakout zone, the $1.19. Now is going toward our profit taking. Okay, good hunt, guys. Good hunt for this one as well. VLON broke our breakout zone in pre-market around the 79.50, and now we hit our profit taking around the $1, going to the second profit taking, the $1.43. Going strong, looking good, looking good. VLON looking good. SRZN is pumping $1.33. Let's go. $1.34. SRZN is pumping toward the $1.47. VLON, XPON. Okay, so we got two, guys. We got two stock we have to watch. VLON and SRZN. Both of them are strong. SRZN have a bit of pullback. Okay, GNS looking good. GNS looking good now. GNS is about to break. GNS, I'm looking for GNS for trade. Around the $6.70, we might see a break. Now it's $6.33. Interesting, really interesting. XPON, I will put it lower. NGL looking really nice. NGL looking really nice. Is still pumping. This one is a growth stock because it's energy sector, in the energy sector. So this one looking pretty nice. NGL. GNS looking good. Red to green. GNS. Okay, SRZN is still holding. Okay, I think NGL, I don't have it in my brokerage account. This is funny. Why NGL? Yeah, I don't have it. Oh man, this is really bad. I really like this stock, man. Let me know, guys, if you actually have this stock on your trading account, because for me, I can't find it. Yeah, I can't find it. SRZN is still pumping, looking good. VLON looking good as well. GNS looking dicey a bit. NGL looking good. Okay, so we have almost 5. I'm trying to see which one. Yeah, SRZN and VLN. Yeah, VLN going down. Okay, interesting. Going down now. So watch out. Now we have to hold this current level around the 49. if we don't want to have a sell-off, you have to watch out. The support is still around the 79, but we don't want to go back there. It's mean weakness. But if we held above the 95, is mean a clear indication for strength, and we're gonna go toward the $1.43. So this is reaction, should hold, bomb, and bumping again. We need to load up. A lot of people taking profit. This is normal. The last bottom to confirm we still in bullish run is the 79.53. We'll see if we hold right now. This area is really important. VLON. VLON. What's gonna be? Let me just go in a smaller picture. Smaller picture. Yeah, there's something happening. Yeah, we'll watch for this level and that level. Yes. Let's see what's going to happen. Patience is the key, guys. Patience is the key. GNS. So GNS looking kind of good now. And NGL looking good. Yeah. So NGL, GNS, SRZN, and VLON. Let me just check Tesla very quick. Tesla is testing our important level. So we have a break from this ascending line. Yeah, so now potential 179 as a support. Nvidia is still holding, but I forget to put alert. This is not me. This is not me. I have to be ready because there's opportunity, guys. There's always opportunity in the market. Market is reacting. Meta is going up. Nike is going up. Starbucks, Amazon. The SPY is in the green. So yeah, so the market is kind of still testing. Okay, so let's go to our list. Check VLON. There's a potential reversal right now. As we said, this is an important level to hold. GNS is pumping. Okay, let's start watching VLON because it's still strong. 127, 129 right now. So it's still strong. There's a potential accumulation, then a pump. So now we have to watch out for this level for a potential another squeeze up around the $1.11. So this one will be a breakout zone once again. Let me just check. Yeah, looking good. Let's try to initiate a trade. Boom. We'll see if we hold this level. Will be perfect. Okay, a test and a rejection. Okay, we have a breakout, kind of. We still, yeah. We need to have a breakout here. A rejection. Okay, really dicey here, really dicey. Wow, see what's happened? We didn't have a breakout. $1.27, $1.31. You have a pullback. Yeah, the $1.11 is really important. $1.02, we already went below the $1. A retest now would be really good around the $1.11 to break it. $1.11 for break. Short seller are hiding. Short seller are hiding there. Okay, we might break right now. Yeah, still struggling. Okay, we watching VLON 133%, have a struggle around the $1.11. Yeah, it's kind of a turning point now. $59 worth of volume for VLON. Let's see if we could find another stock that have the same volatility. Okay, we might see this one. Tops, it's been one of the top gainer before. Now it's 45% and still pumping. So tops looking interesting. So we're testing an important level, $1.92. Yeah, VLON have a struggle for the $1.11. What's gonna be? We might see this reaction going there to test this level before we actually break. This RZN is going back down. GNS, NGL. Okay, so tops have a breakout around the 2 or $1.92. Yeah, VLON got shorted. It's going down. We might see filling this level around the 94. Yeah, we're gonna fill this level, 94. VLON is still holding. There's a potential breakout from this flag. Potential breakout. This would be really interesting to happen right now. We hold this level, boom, down, then going higher. Okay, we're watching for this reaction right now. This is really tight position for VLON. You have to calculate if we have a breakout or GNS potential trade. Okay, VLON really looking interesting now. There's a potential breakout. Tops king of delusion. Oh man. Yeah, they do a lot of reverse split. HPCO looking good, someone said. MULN moving. Let's check those stocks. HPCO, someone said, is moving. Not moving, like, it's not good. It's looking really bad considering the short. Yeah, looking not really good. Not interesting for trade for HPC. Oh, it's not good. For MULN, on the other hand, looking interesting. Looking really interesting. If we broke this level, the 37. So tops is doing really good now. We have a big up in red to green. Okay, SRZN picking up, going up again. XPON reversed from our ascending channel. So there's a potential for a trade. NGL is still pumping 13%, as we said. There's a potential for the $2.70. Tops is doing right. Yeah, VLON going back down. John, we have a kind of breakout for this stock, but the volume was light. That's why I don't like it, but let me just check it again. We're still holding, but the volume right now is picking up around the 2 million, so it's better than before. Looking interesting for this stock. Yeah, we might have a test for the $5.80. Okay, testing the support. VLON testing an important support now. Yeah, really interesting. We might have a reversal here. We should have a reversal for VLON. This is it. Because if we broke this flag from below, it's game over, at least right now, because this is a weakness and the price will continue to go down around the 79. If we broke right now, is mean continuation toward the 79. If we held, we're gonna have a breakout. This is it. Tops is about to move. GENE hit our scan. It's going down, not looking good. Volume is light. Tops is about to break the $1.92. We might see a breakout. And VLON have an important support to hold. We have to have a pump from this flag. We need to break this pattern, this bullish pattern. We need to break and go in toward the $1.11, then have a squeeze. This is it. We need to hold here. Yeah, TOBS and tops. TOBS is about to break the $1.92. We have a breakout. Yeah, toward the $2. Are we gonna have it right now or never? Now or never? Yeah, TOBS breaking the $1.92. Let's see if we have a hold up, not a fake out. Let's see a 1 minute candle without rejection. 25 second, 23, 22, 21. Struggling, 18 seconds, 17, and we got rejected. Still 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, maybe this 1 minute candle we have a breakout. Let's see. Let's see if we have a breakout now. Now or never. Come on. Now or never, brother. Yeah, we have a breakout now. Breakout, $1.94. Yeah, we might see a breakout now toward the $2.06. Okay, another test for this channel and the rejection. Interesting. Yeah. Got rejected. Bad for VLON. VLON gonna have a huge sell-on pressure right now. Game over. Let's see, put it around the 75. This flag, man, this is bad. We didn't break. Test rejection. Now we broke the support. Let's see a dive down now. We could have actually broke here, you see? We didn't. So the shorts have really entered heavily here. Now we have a short. Right now we're gonna have a short here around the 80 and the 79. Yeah, going down, brother. Going down. That's why we say always take profit. TOBS still struggling. We have to have a pullback. We have to see the $2. GNS, NGL, okay, so TOBS looking good. We didn't have a clear breakout still. Should have a clean breakout toward the $2.06 at least. TOBS looking good. TOBS looking good. TOBS looking good toward the $2. Let's see if we can finish the holy water for today. Let's see. I always have 1 liter in the morning, pre-market, and 1 liter of holy water during our live streaming. And never forget 1 liter when I go to the gym, when I do my sport, and 1 liter before the market close. So 4 liters a day. I'm not sponsored by any water company, just to be clear. Okay, $1.98, $1.98. TOBS is pumping. We might see the $2 right now. $2, $2. TOBS. DWAC is hitting our scan. DWAC going down to the depths, We might see test for the 12. You know what I'm gonna do? I put 1270 for the bottom. Trump stock is going down. Trump stock. Okay, $1.98, $2, $2.06. Let's see, $2.06 for TOBS. Okay, getting shorted. Of course, VLON, we didn't break this flag. That's why the price going down. We talk about the $1.11. We said this should be the breakout. We don't have a breakout. Price continued to go down. Now going toward the 80 cent. VLON, the top gainer for today. TOBS have a bit of struggle around the $2. We might have the $2.06 and the $2.23 if we still continue toward holding the $1.69. $2 TOBS 25 worth of volume, $2.02. There's someone selling around the $2, $2.02. We need $2.06. Come on, $2.06, $2.02, 01. Come on, brother. Where's the bulls, guys? Where's the bulls? Where's the bulls? Yeah, the bulls has got slaughtered. So yeah, we got VLON as a potential reversal for this stock. Let me just put the alert just in case around the 86. Maybe we hold here. Let's see if we hold. So this is really interesting area. You have this area is really interesting. Let's see if we hold it. Let's see if we hold this area and breakout. Will happen pretty soon. Right now 99. Yeah, around the $1 we might see another breakout. Let's see. We need to break this flag. Right now testing the flag. We might see a breakout. Tops going back up. we might see a breakout. We have to be vigilant, you know, because once you stop watching a stock, it will go without you. So you have to be ready. TOBS still holding the $1.92. And VLON potential trade. We might see a reversal. BBBY. We have possible reversal for EBET. John, thank you for bringing this up. It was one of the top gainer. Let's see if we have a potential reversal for this one. EBET. Yeah, potential reversal, exactly. Around the 56, if we held it, we might see a reversal. But now we got shorted really pretty good. Not advise anybody to enter below the 95. It's risky. Okay, XPON still struggling. So I'll take it from the list at the moment because it's not looking good. It's still stagnating. NGL is not on our brokerage account. GNS got shorted once again. SRZN looking kind of good now. Tops. Of course. TOBS is pumping toward the $2.10. TOBS. Oh, brother, we still got rejected again. So yeah, VLON not looking good, still get rejected around our flag. This is the last support that we should hold for VLON, if otherwise we're gonna have a sell-off. Watch out. Between the 79 and 86. TOBS is breaking. TOBS looking really good and strong. TOBS hit our first profit taken and got shorted. Yeah, got shorted around our profit taken, the $2.10. So that's where the short seller are hiding, around our first profit taking. We went until the $2.15, but yeah, we got rejected around our first profit taking. That's why the price went down. So we have a trigger here, $1.90. We did 9%. Yeah, 9%, but we're still holding around the $1.90. So this is good. Let me just put it here. Okay, VLON is still, man, they're still getting rejected every time. Really interesting. BBBY, we got alert for BBBY going down $1.94, man, $1.94. Got shorted. Yeah, got shorted heavily, as we said it, man. This is it. BBBY is getting shorted really bad. I don't like the trade, man. I don't like the trade. Once we broke the $3, we said it. $1.87 should be the bottom right now. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna update this level. You see, once we broke the $2.23, we got sold off. So now the $1.23 or $1.87 should be the bottom. $1.87, or yeah, $1. Yeah, here $1.84 should be the bottom, man. Here we should have a reversal and going higher. So if we go higher from here, we should have first test here around the $2.80. First test, yeah, or $2.27. So this should be the first profit taken after we reverse from this bottom, and the squeeze is still around the $3. So yeah, BBY is going toward the $1.84. Boom, we're gonna have a reversal and going higher toward the $2, getting rejected, then the $2.27. So watch out for this last bottom. We should hold. This is it. This is it for BBY. After the sell-off, $1.84 above the $1.80 should hold. You know what I'm gonna do? I put alerts around the $1.88 for possible trade here to see if we manage to break it or hold above it. Is RZN going back, tops going back. Yeah, getting shorted and still holding. Aha, so we have first signal for strength for VLON. We broke this flag. Looking good, looking good. VLON, we might see a reversal now. Yeah, we might see a reversal. We might see a reversal. VLON. VLON broke from the flag, so we have a strength now. We might see a breakout and test here $1.11. Let's see. This is the bottom. Yeah, a reversal. Reversal warning. VLON. Let's see. Continuation now. We need the continuation toward the $1. VLON reversing. VLON. Yeah, we might see a test here, really important level here, 99, 99, 99. A really important level to hold. Let's see. Okay, $1, 99.50, 99.80, 99.99. Got rejected again. Okay, $1. Great, so we need the continuation for this reversal toward the $1.11. Next stop, $1.11. So yeah, $1.11 will initiate the squeeze. $1.02. FFIE going to break or sell off. COMS. SRZN is still holding the support, so we have to watch out for the support. Tops is kind of going down, brother, going down. So let me just check. So for tops, we need to hold above the $1.70 for this stock to continue toward the $2.45. At the time being, SRZN going back toward the $1.19. VLON reversal. VLON, as we said, there's a potential reversal, and this has happened. VLON potential reversal. We have a breakout from this flag, as we said. Breakout. It happened here around the 92. Now potential squeeze once again around the $1.11. What's gonna be? Yeah, $1.11 is the really important level right now. $1.11. Yeah, getting rejected below it. VLON is pumping. Potential break right now for the $1.11. The only level to break, to have a squeeze. What's gonna be? Because we have a good reaction here when we broke this flag. So this is the first reaction. We held above our box, the support. So there's a potential reversal. We already went down and we gave almost 26%. And now we have 16%. $1.11. $1.11. Potential trade $1.11. Someone selling. Let me just check how much the selling pressure. 16K, the other candle 48K. Okay, so the volume is slowing down kind of, so I would be worrying right now. We should have more volume. We need at least over 50K. That's why the volume is going down and short coming in. I don't like the volume dropping near the resistance. Let's see this candle. Yeah, going down. Yeah, going down a bit. Let's see. Yeah, $1.11 is really important level to break. This is normal to see this kind of selling pressure because we are near an important resistance. Patience is a key, guys. Never run after the price and let the price come to you. So short BBY, yeah, BBY we could actually short it when the price hit below the 3, not now. Now there's a potential reversal. Be careful. COSM is going up. Let me just check COSM. Yeah, COSM is going up, but I will wait. Yeah, right now is the $6. The $6 break. Yeah, COSM looking interesting. COSM looking interesting for break. Yeah, looking really interesting. Really interesting play, but it's still heavily shorted. I will keep it on the list. Thank you for bringing this up. Mike, thank you, brother. Thank you for bringing this up. I forget about it. Okay, COSM is going down. TOBS is still struggling, and VLON still struggling around the $1.11. Okay, so we might see a hold up here. Let's see if we could have a support. Yeah, getting shorted again. Really critical. If we held the support, would be good to break the $1.11. Otherwise, it's really not good if we go back here. I don't like it. Yeah, COSM is still waiting for the $6.05 clear, the $6.05. Yeah, Johnny, yeah, John, he said VLON run too fast, too quickly. A lot of people said buy BBY because it's below the $1. Yeah, we have a bit of reversal. Tops OMER. Let's see BBY. Yeah, we have a bit of reversal. A lot of people coming and rushing in to buy BBY right now. Yeah, we have a huge dip. Let's see if we test the $2.09. Let's check ape together. Okay, ape looking good, of course, because we bouncing now from this channel. As we said, this is a turning point and a support for ape and even AMC. Let's check AMC because AMC is entered our box last week, and today we're still holding inside it. So yeah, ape looking better than AMC. Ape looking better for a potential reversal. BBY is started to reverse. BBY start to reverse. We went until the $1.82. The bottom that we discussed before is the $1.84, $1.87. We already discussed this level before, and now its price went down after we broke this descending channel here. We said the weakness, and there's a potential for filling the gap around this box. Let me just show you exactly. We already did chart analysis here. So for BBY, it was 7th of February. Yeah, last week. The $3 you see here, when we said the $3 should be the support around this circle, we didn't. The price go there here around the $1.87 and $2.25 around this box. So finally we went there. That's why we said we have to be patient and let the price come to us. So if we go back, BBY finally went to near the $1.84. So already put alert here for potential test. Otherwise we continue to go down. So we have alert from above here and alert from down below. Wherever the price go will be alerted. So just take it from the list now. COMS is still struggling, and CRZN, TOBS still holding, VOLN, VLON held perfectly above the current support. So we might see a reversal. we might see a reversal. Now or never. What's gonna be? We need to hold. But the spread is really big. Okay, we held the support. Now we have to have a breakout around this level, $1.11. Okay, CVNA going up, kind of above our ascending channel. This is looking good. VLON continue to go higher now. Potential break right now. Potential break for the $1.11, then going squeezing again around the $1.43. This is the current support above the 0.97. We had a test, then the price pump. So we have to clear the $1.11. This is it. This is it. Let us just be ready for this movement if it happened. We don't want to have another break for this support. $1.05. $1.06. The holy water almost finished. The holy water. $1.09. TNXB hit our scan. $1.08. Are we gonna have a squeeze? $1.09. $1.09. $1.10. This is it, guys. This is it. Now or never. VLON, another squeeze about to happen. VLON. Let's go. $1.11. Okay. We need to break this now. We have to break now. $1.11. Come on. It's gonna be $1.11.50. Okay, we broke. Hallelujah. Okay, we broke. Let's see another continuation. Let's see $1.19, of course. Squeeze. Got rejected. Whoa, what a crazy short. Damn. What's going on? Okay. Wow, so okay, we're not halted yet. Wow, we didn't even hold 1 minute over this level. $1.11 was crazy level. Okay, we're still holding this level, the support. So we have indecision here and there. You see a huge wick from down and below. So the price bought back again and got shorted from above. So we know exactly what's going on now. With $1.11 where the short have to cover, so they actually covered and the price didn't cover, but they actually add position for short. And the price went down again. So this is how much VLON actually shorted, because we didn't even have 1 minute candle to close. What a crazy day, man. Okay, this is a warning sign for us. This one is becoming really risky. This one is really risky. You see what's happened after we hold the support? We kind of got the squeeze after we hold the 97 and we did almost 20%. But the price didn't hold around the $1.11 and price got rejected. Let me just see how many seconds. We just stayed 20 seconds. Yeah, the first 10 seconds, then the second 10 seconds we got rejected. Just seconds. We even didn't hold the 30 second or half a minute, man. So you see how much short is opened for a VLON. It's not a game, man. The short is kind of controlling the stock now. Of course, George, of course, HLBZ. HLBZ. Oh man, this one is continuing to go down because we didn't hold the support, the 18. So HLBZ is down and will continue to go down because we cleared this important support, the 18. Now is kind of risky because we might see a continuation for the price down. Let's see, we might see a hold up here. Yeah, the 15. Yeah, this is really critical as well. Already have a test and the price got bought back. So yeah, we don't want to have another pump at like sell off below the 15 because we might see a new low. So yeah, the 15 should be a support and now a resistance is the 19. Let me make it orange. Okay, COMS looking really interesting play. We might see this play after we finish our live streaming. So watch out for the short analysis updates for this play because we might see a huge pump for it after we clear the $6. So I think we might see this trade after we finish our live streaming. As usual, don't worry, we're gonna do a short analysis update for our hunter on Discord, as you can see here when we did for VLON last weekend when we talk about the support and the profit taken for it, and of course on our Patreon because we do the same here, short analysis. So whatever you're using for Patreon or Discord, you can actually get the alert short update for COMS because have a potential to squeeze the volume almost 8 million right now. We did 30% when the market open, have a great support and a good looking resistant. SRZN still looking good because we're still holding the support or breakout zone for today. So there's a potential retest for the $1.47. TOBS is still holding above the $1.69. Staff looking, we broke kind of the support. So now this is looking dicey. A new low for staff, not looking good. Not looking good at all. So staff is getting shorted. You know why? Because we got shorted before around this level below the $5 around this AMA. So it's not looking good from before, from the last week. VLON is still holding. So still holding. We might see a retest for the $1.11. So yeah, we bought back around our support. You see the 97. So we have a critical area from above and from below. This is it. Now this is it for VLON. The price is kind of neck and neck between buyer and seller. 108 million worth of volume. I think it's the top gainer for today, volume wise. Yeah, it's the top gainer volume wise because Tesla is just 67 million. Then BBBY is 40 million. BBBY, we might see red to green. There's a potential for a trade. CLNN hit our scan. Oh man, CLNN going down even further. Game over for CLNN. As we said, we don't hold the $1.79 and we don't hold the other support. So is game kind of over for this one. I don't like it now. We might see a test for the $1.80 for power hour. Will be a trade, but now is not. I will leave it. I will just put alert and leave it be and focus on the better trade at the moment for COMS. And we have to put another alert for COMS, potential support. Interesting. Okay, COMS. VLON still holding the support. Tops is still struggling and holding current support. Really nice. Another reversal. Another reversal. VLON. COMS still struggling. Great question, Elliot Hood. VLON depend on the holding right now. If we accumulate above our current support, we might see a breakout. MULN 37. So VLON have a weakness. We might break this support. If we broke it, it's mean game over. If we broke it, it's mean game over. We're gonna fill this box this time. And this mean the short seller won the game. You see here? The short seller won the game. Around the $1.11. Let me just put it there. Yeah, kind of short seller won the game around the $1.11. We didn't hold, man. This is should have been it actually. The squeeze should have happened here. As we said it before, this is the risk of trading because sometimes we have this kind of behavior, a huge wick. That's why we have to have different like indicators to help us to indicate if we have a fake out or a breakout. So we have to be strategic and enter when we have a good signal for breakout. So this is really was unfortunate because it was really good trade. If we hold above the $1.11, we could have actually have another squeeze. Another buying pressure happening, so there's a still fight. Let me just put it there. So we might see a hold up. What is the YT? Trader name. I don't understand what you said about the YT. Okay, COMS on the move. Elite SP 500 looking good. John, please reply on my message on Patreon. Did you send me a message on Patreon? If yes, we'll check it after our live streaming, of course. Alvaro, you should have actually asked about how high will go for BBY, but how low will go, because if we spot the support and the bottom, we could actually have a really good reversal. Okay, in the big picture we might see a huge price target, but now is the really critical area to have a support, so you have to think about the bottom reversal because we still continue to go down now. Okay, VLON is still holding. Really interesting play, this one. I'm still watching. I'm not letting go because we didn't have a sell-off after this rejection around the $1.11. So someone is buying. Someone bought here really heavily. Let me just check how much it was here. Yeah, we got a huge volume, man, for this candle. Almost 129. This is not normal. So yeah, there's a huge selling and buying pressure. So whatever someone sold here, it bought back around this support. So now, as we said, is the selling and buying pressure is equalized and balanced. Otherwise, if we broke this support, it means the short won the game. If we broke this support, the short won the game, and confirm that the selling pressure here is more than buying pressure there. Okay, interesting. COMS is crawling up little by little. Let's see the biggest gainer. We got OCUL looking good, crawling up as well on low kind of volume. Yeah, looking good. COMS, then FSLY, light volume. This one is really expensive. Light volume, NGL, and this one. So I have to check one. Might be interesting play later. This one expensive. This one run really high, and however we don't have maybe we have Exilla, huge wick. Exilla, huge. Okay, we have something. Okay, it's not a huge wick still because we testing right now. It's a testing area around the 6.5 here. It's testing area, so it's still not interesting play for me. For Exilla is not interesting. Just remember, guys, we always do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. So watch out for the tomorrow live streaming as usual. If you came a bit late, you can rewatch our live streaming after we finish this current live streaming. Our live streaming will be uploaded. Okay, COSM and the move. COSM. COMS. Okay, looking interesting. We have a test and a rejection. COMS looking interesting. COMS $6.04. Okay, another rejection. Let's see this one. Tops. Still testing COSM, $6 still 0.5. Let's see for another retry to break the $6.05. This time the short won again, shorted the COMS nearing the $6.10, and price didn't hold. We got a wick and the price went down. So the short is still controlling, but there's someone bought again above the $5.70, huge volume. So let's see if we break. Yeah, the volume is picking up, so this is good. We have 11K for this 5-minute candle, even though it's just 2 minutes, and we have 11K, so this is looking good for a break. Really good looking for a break. Let's see. But the spread is really high. Okay, breaking $6.10. Let's see. Yeah, good break. We need to hold above the 6. Yeah, $6.18. Let's go. $6.16, 15. Let's go, let's go, let's go. See, OMS is on the move. At least $6.40. We need to go until the $6.40 at least. Still there's room to pump. Yeah, $6.20. This is not clean breakout, you see. We were going back again to test the breakout zone, going back. It's not clean breakout. I don't like it. Really shabby break. We should hold right now. We should hold and continue to go at least for the $6.40. Let me just update the level for a support around this area. See OMS. We need to continue. $6.19, $6.40. Not looking good. Still struggling. Still struggling, but we're still holding above the 6. Now $6.05. Current support is around the $5.70 if we don't want to have a sell-off. So watch out for this support. Let's see what's gonna happen. We are already up 40%. We're already up 40%. I don't like it, you know, because when we broke, we should have actually been right now around the $6.40. Because for my opinion, we're already pumped from the below, you see, around the $5. So now we have a bit of struggle for selling pressure. But we're still holding above the 6. So the 6s will be really good to hold in order to continue to go higher. So yeah, we have a potential break. $6 should be the support right now toward the $6.84. Let's see if we have a hold up of the 6. A huge wick in the smaller picture, a huge wick. Someone still selling around the $6.30. We need to hold the 6. This would be really great support. Let me just put it there. It's RZN around the $1.22, so it's picking up the momentum. TOBS going down, VLON is still holding. Man, this is really crazy. It's still holding between the 97 and $1.11. Plus the like button and the weigh in. As we said, we always do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET to hunt for the stock that have potential to squeeze. And before that, we do pre-market and watch list for the stocks that, like you said, like you see here, VLON, which pumped even for today and last Friday. So we always hunt for those kind of stocks when the market open. So if you don't want to miss the next live streaming and be prepared with us before the market open, you have to tune in around 9 a.m. Eastern time. And for today, we're gonna do a video update for the stock that we're gonna hunt for tomorrow around 8 p.m. CET. So stay tuned for this video on our YouTube channel. Yeah, COMS is still holding above the 6. Okay guys, so we have to wrap up our live streaming. As usual, 2 hours from the live streaming that we did today, as usual. So for COMS, looking really good because it's still holding the 6. SRZN is still holding our support, now $1.22. TOPS is still holding the support. There's a potential pump again. VLON is still struggling and holding above our support. So we're gonna do update, of course, if we pump from the $1.11. Short update, of course, on our Discord and Patreon. So stay tuned for this update, really urgent update for a potential trade for the price entry and profit taken for all of them. So stay tuned for this video and not video, a short analysis, sorry. And a video on our YouTube channel on the 8 p.m. CET for the stock that we're gonna hunt for tomorrow. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update. Before I leave, let me just leave my email address in order to answer your question regarding how to join our Discord and Patreon and how everything works, because usually I got many questions regarding that, because many our trader never traded before on Patreon or Discord and never use this kind of platform. So you can actually send me a direct message on this business email and I will reply as soon as possible. And you know why I use the email instead numbers or Telegram? Because many spammers using this way of spamming people and manipulating people. So the only way to contradict that or fix this problem is never sharing my Telegram number or phone number, because this is how the spammers and scammers use this way to manipulate people and steal their information. So be careful and stay safe, or and never contact with anybody in comment section, and try to report them, because I tried to report them and YouTube couldn't do anything because it's like a bot, you know, it's kind of you delete and they come once again. So if you have any questions, just send me on our business email. I will reply as soon as possible. Just remember that there's time difference. Here is almost night, because when the market closes, I can't reply on any question because I will be sleeping. I have to sleep around the 10:30 p.m. CET here in Europe. So just remember the time difference. If I don't reply right away on even at the comment, just remember that the time difference, and that's why I can't reply really fast. Okay, so hopefully that's really informative for our live streaming, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Okay, VLON hit. Okay, this is not good. Breaking the support. Let me just put